Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why would I use WSL rather than Linux in a VM? WSL requires fewer resources, CPU, memory, and storage, than a full virtual machine. WSL also allows you to run Linux command line tools and apps alongside your Windows command line, desktop and store apps, and to access your Windows files from within Linux.
Let's help you make your mark.
Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL2, runs a special Microsoft Linux kernel on a lightweight virtual machine. Docker requires Linux functions that are not available in WSL1, and it runs faster there than when you use heavyweight virtual machines on Hyper-V or VirtualBox.
Take our lead.
But for most daily job, WSL is good enough. RSYNC from other machine, SSH, copy, paste, simple text manipulation. There are so many things you can do with Bash on Windows. It's really easy to install, uninstall, update them in WSL. Much easier than Windows standalone software and the stupid store.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you like scripting stuff, PowerShell is pretty solid, and again, WSL2 makes it so you can run Linux scripts from Windows. Normal WSL is similar but can sometimes run into issues. I much prefer WSL2. That is just my use case, so yes, WSL can replace Linux.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.